What are today's messages? Let's check this envelope out. My job in this life is to be myself, not to fit into boxes that do not belong to me. Identifying the pattern is awareness. Choosing not to repeat the cycle is growth. What's one thing, big or small, that you're currently looking forward to? Have you ever felt anxious, tired, wired, and then ate something and felt better? One of the most common reasons for mood imbalances and brain challenges comes from imbalanced blood sugars. Dr. Mark Hyman. Do more things that make you forget to check your phone. And the last one today. Be brave enough to be bad at something new. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.